to my channel. I'm Devangana with you all, and today I am starting the shoot of my moving vlog from my hometown to my college. This vlog is going to be about the random things that I'm doing during this time, like shopping, packing, and if you want to know what things I'm taking with me during this travel, please watch my previous video about what I am taking to my university, and it is going to be mostly how a student is going to a college with all the hassles and stuffs. Let's get started. To inform you all, I'm basically taking B3 bags for my moving. This is the big one. This is the mid-sized one, and this is the small one. I'm hoping that all my bags, stuffs will be stuffed in this bag only. But if I'm not able to pack anything like in this, but it's important and I need to take it, that's because my parents are going with me. I'll just stuff them in their bag and take it with me. That's the plan of how it's going to be happening. Right now, I'm trying to bag this one and take, I guess, my clothes which are new and also my jeans, and see what goes in. It is after some days of my first video, and today I'm going to the shopping mall for some toiletries and utensils and stuffs to buy. Let's go! Calling, oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling. I body your style, never small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, you make me feel like saying, babe. Hi guys, it is around 1 o'clock on 30th August 2022, and it's the day before I am leaving for Chennai. I wanted to share some of my feelings with you all. Just that, this morning, I really felt different from the previous morning. It was like, yes, the day has come when I will be leaving my hometown, my people, my friends, and I have to go somewhere else, manage there, meeting new people in a new place. I don't know how I am going to manage it all, but if there is anybody who can, give some of your tips of managing things, you can comment down below. And also share a little bit of your story so that it will be helpful for not only me but people who are like me and watching my video. Just that it's more of experiencing a new phase of life. I don't know how to deal with it, but I hope I do it successfully. Calling, oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling. I body your style, never small thing. Good morning, guys. This is the day I am going. This is my luggage, which is overpacked.
Calling, oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling. I body your style, never small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, yeah. Oh boy, you make me feel like say, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright. Tell me so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving, man, I be alright. Oh, baby, come talk to me. This fire keep it burning. Them other boys keep them talking. For your case, on the mind, don't let it blow mind every time. You and me, no be no man matter. All your exes think say we got scatter. You keep me calling, yeah, I got you falling. That's not a thing we can handle. Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me, I feel it. Hope it's still win up in the air. I'ma show you my love now. I'm the only one for you, boy. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. You make what I call you. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. Yeah, my heart just to call you. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. You make what I call you. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. Yeah, my heart just to call you.
Would you call me? Get 080 in the morning. Why you so?
Good morning, guys. It is around 8:30 on 2nd September. My train got late by 6 hours. And that's why I couldn't film last night because I was too tired. And now I got ready. We're going to go to my hostel. Currently, I am going to catch some meal like breakfast. Then we are going to go for our college. This is the outfit.
Calling, oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling. I body your style, never small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, yeah. Oh boy, you make me feel like say, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright. Tell me so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving, man, I be alright. Oh, baby, come talk to me. This fire keep it burning.
Hi guys, finally I have reached my hostel and I'm just going to set it up. I have done all my documentation and verification. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.